Hello, I'm Edward and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows Update blocking remote desktop. Sometimes it happens that Windows Update can interfere with other apps by blocking them, for example, which can create difficult situations for a user's workflow or operations. Some of the fixes for this issue deal with checking if Windows is properly updated to the latest version, or even trying to restore Windows to a point the problem was not existing. So stay tuned and you'll be able to fix this easily in no time. For a more detailed explanation and even more solutions, please check the article in the description below. The first solution could be checking if both the host and client PCs have been updated. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, and then enter appwiz.cpl in Run and then press the OK button. Then click View Installed Updates on the left of the Control Panel's window to open a list of recent updates. There you can check if the host has received the same updates as the client. This type of problem is caused by users utilizing remote desktop on an updated client trying to connect to an unpatched host server. You can also try checking for the latest Windows updates. You can do that by clicking the Start button in the lower left corner and then writing Settings. Then click the Settings option. Now navigate to Update and Security section. There you have to click Check for Updates button. Windows will now check for available updates. If any updates are available, they will be downloaded automatically in the background. Once you downloaded the updates, they will be installed as soon as you restart your PC. Surprisingly, installing the latest updates proved to solve the problem with Windows Update blocking remote desktop. And lastly, you can roll back updates with System Restore. To start with, click the search button in the lower left corner and type Run. Once you open the Run window, type the following command: rstrui. Then click OK to launch System Restore. Select the Choose a different restore point option if there's a recommended restore point. Then select the next option to continue. To see a full list of restore points, click the Show More Restore Points checkbox. If you're not sure what date to choose, just make sure to choose the oldest restore point you can. Press the next button to proceed to restore point confirmation and click Finish to confirm your selected restore point and initiate the Windows restoration process. For more information and details, please check the article in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.